With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question is, the water for a factory is stored in a hemispherical tank whose internal diameter is 14 meter. The tank contains 50 kiloliter of water. Water is pumped into the tank to fill to its capacity. Calculate volume of water pumped into tank. So we have to given in the question that internal diameter of hemispherical tank given internal diameter of hemispherical tank is 40 meter. So here D is equal to 40 meter. So we can get R is equal to R, it means radius, is equal to D by 2. So we get 7 meter. Now from question, water in hemispherical tank, water in hemispherical tank is 50 kiloliter, which is equal to 50. You can write kilo as 1000. So we get this comes out to be 50,000 liter. If we convert it into meter cube, so we know 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. So 50,000 liter is equal to 50,000 divided upon 1000. So we get 50 meter cube. Now we know a volume of hemispherical tank is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here 2 by 3, the value of pi is by 22 by 7 into, what's the value of r? R is 7, so 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7, cancel out this 7, this is 3. After multiplying we get 718.66 meter cube. Now from question, the question asks that water pumped into the tank to fill its capacity. Calculate the volume of water pumped into tank. So volume of water volume of water pumped into tank is volume of spherical tank, volume of hemispherical tank minus water in tank. So we get 718.66 minus 50. This is equal to 668.66 meter cube. So hence water pumped into the tank is 668.66 meter cube. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.